Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Forza Horizon 6 and you keep getting this error, FHC00 with their video card crash, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this error on Forza Horizon 6 easily. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to open up your game's platform, which is Steam. You're going to right click on Forza Horizon 6, click Properties, go into Install Files and then click Verify Integrity of Game Files here. And once it's done verifying your game's files, you're going to click onto General back here, and now you're going to paste these launch options here. I'm going to put these launch options into the description of the video. You're going to paste these here. After you're done with that, now you're going to restart Steam. So close it up and then launch it back again. And now you can go ahead and try to play Forza Horizon 6 and you'll see that your game will now work. You'll not face that video card crash anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.